Dear viewers, welcome back with another video. Today, I will show you how to take screenshot on J.Burrows keyboard. First, press the F6 button on keyboard. Then click on Capture. Then drag the mouse cursor for the area that you want to capture. Then click on Capture again. And it will save to your download folder. Here is the screenshot that you have taken just now, and that's it. So easy. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. By hitting that like button below, share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss an update.